Hello and welcome. You're now looking at Clickbank.com. And Clickbank.com is both an affiliate marketplace as well as a platform to launch digital products. The site holds products in various categories, everything from e-business to games to self-help and then travel. The company provides support for buyers, affiliates, and vendors. Buyers who are dissatisfied with their products can refund them within a specific period of time through Clickbank. Vendors have an extensive set of policies that they'll need to follow to have their product listed on Clickbank and to allow affiliates to promote that product. The individual can have multiple products on Clickbank and make all of them available to affiliates in order to promote. Setting up an account with Clickbank is something that you can do free of charge. And in this course, we will walk through the technical process of both setting up a product for sale as well as promoting a product as an affiliate. So if you already have an account, you'll be able to pick it up from the point at which we have set up an account. However, in the first video, we're going to create an account for Clickbank. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the first video.